Hello everyone. This is going to be a really short video. If you remember when we did the security, we worked on this web application in dev. So we tried, individual account, and we also integrated Google. If you had done your bonus assignment, you would have done Facebook also. So the reason why I want to talk about this is, as part of your final project, I do have a requirement that says the menu item should change based upon whether you are logged in as a user or not. Okay, so I just want to give you an idea of how you would go about doing it. So that's why I'm taking this example of the web application in dev and not the music store. Okay, the music store does not have any authentication set up at this point. So let me just go over this particular application to show you how the menu is organized and how authentication happens. Okay, let's just remove all the breakpoints for now. Okay, so this is how my application looks. There is nothing we've added here except authentication, right? So if you see here, there is menu here on the left, and then there is menu here on the right side, right? So the right side menu is going to change depending on if I logged in or not. Okay, so if so either I register or log in. Once I do that, my name would show up here, my user ID, and then I'll have an option to log off. So this part toggles depending on whether I'm an authenticated user or not. This part remains constant. Okay, the layout doesn't matter where it is just the concept. So let me show you where this is controlled. So if I go in here, go into views, shared, you all know that all of our menu comes from our layout, right? So see how we have this home, about, contact. The key is this guy, HTML login partial. So this is the one that appears on the right side. This guy is this guy. Okay, so let's go to login partial. That's the one right next to the layout. If you look at this one, you can see the first line says if request is authenticated, then else. So if there is no request is not authenticated, I'm not logged in, I see register and login, right? So let's put a couple breakpoints here, and let's put a breakpoint here also. Okay, so I put a breakpoint in layout. I also put a breakpoint in login. There are two breakpoints, one for if request is authenticated and one for the else portion. So let's just check this out really quick. So I just refresh the page. First I come to the layout. The three menu items are going to appear now: index, about, and contact. Then I go into my login partial. See, I am not logged in at this point, so it should fail with this request authenticator should be false. It should go to the else condition. I am at the else condition now. It is going to show me the register and login. That's what's happening. Now let me log in. Again, it comes in, authenticates. It doesn't matter if you use the Google services or if you use something else, like your applications database for authentication. No matter what, if you are going to have a menu that is based upon authentication, you want to put that menu inside login partial. Okay. So now I'm coming into login partial. So let us see now, because I logged in. So this condition is true now. So it is going to show log off, and then it is going to give me a hello. So these two guys will disappear. See, so it is giving me a hello and then my name, my email, because I am an authenticated user. I logged in successfully, and then it gives me an option to log off. If I log off, it will come to the else and do the register and login. Okay, so that is what I wanted to show you. So let us say that you want to other than these two guys, if you want to just show something very important, So let us say that I want something to be added here, a menu item to be added here. Probably I don't want all of that. I want to call it a special menu item, and then it would take me to some method, whatever it is. So this is something I want. And see, I'm putting it only inside my request authenticated. So when I'm authenticated, I get this special one. When I'm not authenticated, let us say that I want something else to come. Okay, I don't know how the style is gonna be, so let's just check it out. So I have a regular menu when I'm not logged in, and I have a special menu when I'm logged in. Let's see how that works out. Okay, I'm going to take all of my breakpoints out. See, home, about, contact, regular menu item comes here. Well, I have to adjust the styles, but I'm not gonna bother. I just want to show you, you know, how I got it on the left side, not on the right side. That's because of the class. The class I use, I'm not using nav bar right. I'm using nav bar. Okay, let's even take this div out. I think the div is what's messing it up because we already have a div there. So if I take this div out, I think that should make it a little more manageable. Okay, so all I'm saying is if you just, whatever is your layout menu class, use the same here in its own element if you want it to be on the left side. Okay. This could very well change in your final project depending on how you're setting up your styles and everything. Okay, see, the menu looks nice now. So I have home, about, contact, and regular menu item. Of course, when I click it, nothing crazy is going to happen. But I just want to show you how this part will change along with this guy also. I should not see regular, I should see special once I log in. Yeah, special menu item. I don't see the regular anymore, I see the special. Okay. You can change your styles to move it around wherever you want. I'm not really worried about that, as long as regular should not come when special comes, right? So we are kind of having a toggle effect here.